Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you granny secure designs, most attractive and enhanced designs. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily. Inshallah I'll be sharing how you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any different patterns, styles and more attractive design, amazing and stunning designs, and so find this video so amazing. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends inshallah. Be sure that you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any different patterns, styles and substyles, more attractive ideas and for granny secure, different shapes, designs. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily inshallah. Be sure that you like our videos. If any videos related to any pattern, so I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends inshallah. Be sure that you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any different patterns and different designs for getting more attractive ideas, it's so stunning and gorgeous videos. We will be keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily inshallah. Wishes how you like our videos. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this army. So find this video, it's so amazing, gorgeous ideas, it's so stunning, beautiful designs. So find this video, it's amazing. आई होप कि आप लोगों को ये टोटली डिज़ाइन पसंद आ रहे होंगे. लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा विद ऑल यूट्यूब फैमिली, विद ऑल न्यू मेंबर्स, सब्सक्राइबर्स. You get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and